guys, my name's Evan with Hattan here in Derby. So today, taking a look at this 2019 Bighorn that we've got here. So, we just recently outfitted it with some off-road tires, so we decided to take it off the lot, kind of out here in nature, kind of get away from the lot a little ways, just to kind of show you guys a little bit of what we can do with these. All right, so as I was saying, here at Hattan Derby, we're able to do a few extra things, so we're calling it our first edition customs. So what that means is we're able to kind of upfit some vehicles that wouldn't normally have things on it, with lift kits, different wheels and tires, tonneau covers, running boards, just some things like that to kind of customize them for you and to kind of make it your own. So on this particular Ram right here, again, it's a 19, it's a Bighorn, it's a Lone Star Edition as a matter of fact. So on this one, what we did is we went ahead and put a 3.5-inch lift. It's a rough country lift. We also went ahead with the 20-inch wheels and the 34-inch off-road tires again, which is why we're out here, kind of in the middle of nowhere. Wanted to get out, wanted to kind of show you guys what we were capable of, or what this thing was capable of doing. Also, obviously being a Ram and a Bighorn, it does have the 5.7 Hemi in it. So, you want to take it off-road, go slam through some dirt and some mud, you can do that. You want to run down the street and go slam through some kids in Hondas, you can do that too. This thing is available out here down Hattan and Derby, so just come on by, take a look at it, and maybe yours, you can take it home.